2022 개정 초4영어 강정진 위과 단어 공부 Level 3 단어 플러스 응용 스토리 Sisters and brothers. Lina and Luna come to Jack's house.
My dad's cleaning the garage.
I brought a cake.
Mom's making cream pasta.
Nick is painting in the living room. Luna sits at the desk with her crayons.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing my plushie Foxie.
Jack and Lina head into Jack's room.
Let's play a game.
Suddenly, Jack pauses the game.
Hey, listen. I made this robot.
Back in the living room, Jack's mom peeks in.
What's she doing?
She's reading a book.
My sister's reading again. She reads books anywhere and anytime.
Jack's mom smiles at Luna.
Luna, you have such a cute name. Everyone, pasta's ready. Come and eat.
Nick accidentally spills some paint.
I'm wiping up the paint.
Let me help.
Lina and Jack come too.
We've got this.
A few minutes later, the mess is gone. Everyone heads to the kitchen. They sit together, laughing and eating warm bowls of cream pasta.
What are you doing?
We're eating cream pasta.
2022 개정 초4영어 강정진 위과 단어 공부 Level 3 단어 플러스 응용 스토리였습니다. 구독 눌러주시고 다음 영상도 함께해요. 바이바이.